How to log into Citigroup bank account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. You can also use the Citigroup app, but for this video, I'm gonna use the web version. After you launch your preferred browser, over here you're gonna find the search box, type in Citigroup login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website, citi.com, open it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from this page, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials of your Citigroup account. Firstly, go ahead and type in the user ID. Then type in the password. In the case you have forgotten the user ID or password, you can click on these options given over here to recover it. If you want to save your login info, check in for this option of remember user ID. And once you fill this, click on sign on. Just for that, you will be logged into your Citigroup account. In the case you haven't registered for your account yet, click on the option of register for online access and go through the process. Well, this way you can easily log into Citigroup bank account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.